Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Math Textbook Unit Exercise 5, question number 1. PQRS is a rectangle formed by the joining the points P, Q, R and S, and A, B, C, D are midpoints of PQ, QR, RS and SP respectively. Is the equilateral ABCD is a square, a rectangle or a rhombus? Justify your answer. Now, here, look at this figure. A is the midpoint of line joining P and Q. That is, the point A is midpoint of P and Q. P is here, -1, -1. Q is -1, 4. R is 5, 4. And S is 5, -1. Now, the point A, the midpoint of -1, -1 by 2 and -1 plus 4 by 2, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal A -2 by 2 is -1, -1, here 3 by 2. Then point B is the midpoint of Q and R, that is -1 plus 5 by 2, 4 plus 4 by 2, which is equal B is 2 by 2 is 4 by 2 is 2 and 8 by 2 is 4. And point C is the midpoint of R and S, that is y plus 5 by 2 and 4 minus 1 by 2 equal C of 5 and 3 by 2. Next, D is the midpoint of P and S, that is -1 plus 5 by 2 and -1 by 2 equal D of 4 by 2 is 2 and -2 by 2 is -1. Now we got the midpoints. Then we have to get the slope of AC, that is inner quadrilateral, the diagonal, that is slope of AC equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which gives 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 over minus 5, -1 minus 5, 0 over -6 equal 0. Slope of AC is 0. Then slope of DB, slope of BD equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 4 of -1 plus 1 and 2 minus 2, 5 over 0, which is equal infinity. Then look at the slopes of AC and BD, both are perpendiculars. Therefore, AC is perpendicular to BD, and therefore you can say ABCD can be a square or rhombus. Now, next, slope of AB, the side. Slope of AB, side of the inner quadrilateral. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 3 over 2 AB, and 2 minus of 2, 2 plus 2 minus of -1, 2 plus 1, which is equal 4 minus 3 by 2 is 5 over 2 over 3, which is equal 5 over 6. Now, slope of BC equal y2 minus y1, 3 by 2 minus 4 over 5 minus 2, which is equal minus 5 over 2 over 3 is minus 5 over 6. Therefore, here AB and BC are not perpendicular since slope of AB is 5 by 6, slope of BC is minus 5 by 6. Product of the slope is not minus 1. So we can say AB is not perpendicular to BC. Therefore, conclusion you can say, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus as diagonals are perpendicular. And sides are not perpendicular, and adjacent sides are not perpendicular. That is, we conclude this quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.